This is the demonstration for the North Carolina Lighthouse. Now, you are allowed to choose whichever one of the North Carolina lighthouses you like. You can choose Currituck, you can choose Body, you can choose Hatteras, you can choose Ocracoke, you can choose Cape Lookout, you can choose Oak Island, and you can choose Bald Head Island. However, for this project, I am just going to show you Body Island. So you might hear people call it Bodie. Miss Larrick will tell you that that's not correct, because if you research the actual origin of that name, why they named it that, it is because a lot of ships used to crash off of our coast, and unfortunately bodies would wash up, and so they called it Bodies Island. So BODY''S, and it has been changed since to BODIE. So we're going to do Body Island. So real easy, all we're going to do is we're going to simplify this lighthouse, and we're going to draw it in Romero Brito style. We're going to draw the background in Romero Brito style. So we'll get to that in the next segment. So really easy. We're just going to draw this shape, okay, and a rectangle light. All right, since it's body, we're going to have two thick black horizontal stripes, so it's going to be 4 lines. We will eventually color these in black. Okay, so we'll thicken all of this with a Sharpie. If you don't have a Sharpie, you can use a black crayon or a marker. This is your practice drawing. If you're out longer and you need to do your final, then you'll be doing this with Sharpie. Okay, after we thicken this, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the whole drawing. We're going to add some water. So you just add a wavy line off to the side. Now, each lighthouse has a different environment, and this one actually has a marshy environment where it has like grass around it. But for all of the lighthouses, we are going to go ahead and draw them as if the ocean and the sand and the ground were all right here beside it, just so that we can kind of simplify our class. So we're going to draw a hill that goes behind the lighthouse to the water. So make sure that you jump over the lighthouse with your hill, and you don't draw a line through the lighthouse. So this is ground, water, okay? Then we're going to take our ruler. I don't have a ruler on hand with me right now. We're going to pretend like I do. And you can use a ruler. If you don't have a ruler, you can eyeball this. We're going to use rulers in class though. And we're going to draw a line that goes right across diagonally from one corner of our paper to somewhere up here. Actually, before we do that, let's do the light beam. The light beam needs to shine out. Okay, so I'm going to draw that line. Just like that. Okay? And then I'm going to draw another one over here on the sky that's just going to intersect this, or that's just going to interrupt this space over here. I'm just going to draw a line. I'm going to break it up. Okay? And then I'm going to thicken all these lines in Romero Brito style. So let's just get the drawing finished first.